Monday's short and important news. Prime Minister Mullah Muhammad Hassan AHAnd, the system provides services to the refugees, shows that Islamic Emirate is committed to serving its citizens. Administrative Deputy Abdul Salam Hanafi says that officials of the Islamic Emirate will able to manage the forced immigration process of the returning refugees in a good way. Minister of Foreign Affairs in Beijing, Afghanistan Islamic Emirate, the beginning of the ambassador's work is an important development. Acting Minister of Higher Education handed over 22 different projects in Nangarhar University during his visit to Nangarhar. Minister of Refugees Affairs Khalil Rahman Haqqani, the Islamic Emirate has provided the necessary facilities to the returning Afghan refugees. Minister of National Defense says 433 defense forces graduated from Hazrat Abdullah ibn Mas'ud military. Acting Minister of Industry and Trade has opened Shams Kola and Jahan Power companies in Herat. The World Food Programme says that it has helped 280,000 Afghans return from Pakistan. 24 different projects worth 47,738,250 Afghanis have been completed and put into use in different villages of Bertugamal district of Nuristan. The United Nations Development Programme UNDP has prepared nearly 2,000 hectares of land for gardens in 6 provinces of Afghanistan. 5 tons of collected food and non-food items were burnt in Pule Alam, the center of Logar province.